Hey guys, so today I have a seed haul for you. Now, there were a few things that I did not get in my order at the end of last year that I wanted to get for this year. Actually, only about 5 things, but I've been watching other seed hauls and some favorite videos, so I decided to pick up a couple more things. So let's take a look at what I got. First things first, let's go over the things that I actually meant to get because I had forgotten to pick them up at the end of the year, and then I just needed to wait a little bit longer in order to get some of this stuff. But I shop at my local co-op quite a bit, and they've got seeds, and one of those are these Ed Hume seeds. And so I got 3 types of peas. I got an Oregon Giant, I got an Oregon Sugar Pod 2, and I got a Super Sugar Snap Pea. And Ed Hume is local to Washington State, so I know these are going to do great. And most of these are developed at Oregon State University anyway, which is right here in the Pacific Northwest. Also, while I was there, I realized when I went out, I'm starting to clean some of my green stalks out to get them ready for the growing season, and a stock tank that I've got a bunch of herbs in. And I don't have any sage, so I grabbed some of this broadleaf sage for botanical interest. And then just for funsies, I got some stevia. Now, the stevia, I don't necessarily like the stevia that you buy in the little packets at the stores, but from what I hear, this may or may not have that odd aftertaste to it. So I'm gonna just grow it this year and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so let's go through the other thing that I meant to get just because I forgot about it, and that's gonna be some pansies and violas. Now, these needed to be started, like a month ago, but I'm gonna start them this week and get them going. So first off, I've got this Envy Violet. Beautiful, beautiful. I've got this Brush Strokes Viola. Of course, it was a picture that sold me on this. This Antique Laeta Viola. And then I also have this Tiger Laeta. Those, really, it was the picture that caught me on those more than anything else. So I got those. All of those are from Baker Creek. I do like shopping at Baker Creek because their seeds are typically reasonably priced and they've got good information on the back. Normally this doesn't lead me astray. And germination rates are usually great. And if they're not, they tell you typically right on the front or the back, and they include extra seeds to compensate. So truly, truly love that. So really those things, the peas, the violas, and the pansies, that's all I really wanted to or needed to get to complete my gardening collection. Okay, and need is a very strong word. But I got some other things. So let's get into it. First of all, also from Baker Creek, I got some fava beans. And I grabbed these Green Beauty beans because apparently they can get really large, 5 to 8 inches long, and still be all nice and tender. And you can eat the pod as well. So that I'm looking forward to. Now, the reason I had to buy peas is because I use the bulk of my peas as a cover crop towards the end of the season. So I'm almost out of everything. So I just grabbed some new ones. Let's go through the freebies. When you place a certain size order at Baker Creek, they give you a certain number of free seeds. So let's start with this Landis Winter Lettuce. And I'm so glad this was included. I was actually hoping to get this one as a freebie because I have been starting a lot of my lettuces indoors because I have been having so many salads. I've got tomatoes growing indoors. And then I just started a little, I'll save that for later. All right, the other one they got is this Japanese wasabi. I have another package of these from last year that, I'm not really a fan of wasabi, but I might just grow the seeds that I got from last year. just because we'll see. And then this He-Do Tiny. This is probably the fourth or fifth package of this that I've gotten free from them. And I've grown them. They're great. So I am definitely going to be growing those again very soon. And then just as a special, at the end of last month or this month, whenever I placed the order, they were including these Black Beauty tomato seeds. Now I already have some of these that I ordered last year and grew, so I still have some of those seeds left. So I might give this away to someone. Just haven't decided yet. Another thing that looked interesting were these California black eyed peas. So I have those that I'm going to give a try. And then there's this. Okay. So I love coleus so much. I got into coleus about 3-4 years ago. They love shade. They're beautiful. You can put some of them out in the sun, but they're absolutely gorgeous plants in the shade, which is where I typically plant them. So I got 4 seeds. I got this Folia Velvet. I also got this Mosaic. I got this Sunset one. And then I also got this Picasso one. Beautiful, beautiful. Now, I just mentioned how reasonable the prices are at Baker Creek. I got to tell you, these seeds were kind of pricey for the number of seeds you get. You only get 35 seeds in a minimum of 35 seeds in a packet. So they're usually a little bit more, but 35 seeds, and each of these were $4.50. So these were kind of pricey for the number of seeds that you get, but I'm still going to enjoy growing them. Now, parsnips I got. I'm going to enjoy growing those. I've never grown parsnips before, so that'll be a first for me. I already started my onions. You guys might have seen that video, but I did buy this yellow of Parma I've never tried before. So I'm getting these started again this week. There is a channel that I watch, The Nature Patch. She's down in South Wales, I believe. And she got me looking at these straw flowers. So I got this silvery rose and this orange. So she makes these baubles out of the dried straw flowers. So I'm really looking forward to trying those out this year. I got a couple of salvias. I got this Serious Blue Sage salvia. And then I got this Rose Rhapsody. So I haven't grown salvias from seed. I normally buy my transplants from the store, so this will be my first time growing those. I got a couple of zinnias. I got this Mozzarella, I think that's how you pronounce that. And then this Queenie Lemon Peach, which is so gorgeous. Last year, I grabbed a bunch of zinnia seeds because I love having zinnias in my garden. I got a bunch at the store from Botanical Interest, and I must have gotten a bad batch because the germination rates on pretty much all of those were terrible. So I'm still going to try to get some of those to germinate again this year, but I do have some other zinnia seeds that I'm going to try anyway. This Midnight Nigella Lebanonist was one that I saw on somebody's seed haul, and I was like, I've got to have that. This orange yellow thyme. Now I've got regular thyme. Did I need this? No, but this just is fascinating. Fascinating. Okay. And then mint. I have this Greek Mountain Tea mint. Now, y'all, I've got about 8 or 9 varieties of mint, maybe more, growing in and about the yard. So did I need this? No, but there it is. This is one, this lemongrass has been bouncing in and out of my shopping cart for quite some time, but I decided to go ahead and try it out. We'll see how it goes. I also have like 3 to 4 different lavender plants, but this one seemed really pretty. It's Elegance Pink, so I'm going to try that one out, get that started here real soon. The other thing, Monstro de Viroflay, I believe, it's a spinach. So we're going to try that out. I've already started my eggplants, but I saw this Nagasaki long and I thought I would give it a try. Whoever I was watching that purchased that made it sound fascinating. So I was like, let's try it. Especially since my long purple seeds did not germinate. They are a couple of years old. I did get 2 tomatoes. Did I need tomatoes? No, I've got plenty that I'm going to grow, and you'll see that video coming out in like a month or so. All right, Alice's Dream. I don't know who reviewed this, but whoever it was, I was like, I need to try that. And then I saw this Ice's Candy tomato on several seed hauls. So I had to give it a try. Had to. Now I've heard of, I don't know, for broccoli, I've heard of Green Magic Broccoli. Another YouTuber that I watch, Grounded Haven, mentioned a Green Magic broccoli that she thought grew really well. So I grabbed that at the end of last year and I'm growing it now. But this Purple Magic Broccoli was one that I saw in another video. It got really good reviews. So this one, even though I got these seeds about a week ago, I went ahead and started those. Now I have 3 others. These are all from, and that's Purple Magic, of course, is from Haas. Haas does spell tomato seed, not tomato seeds, but just seeds, period. So you might want to check their site out. And then these all came from Territorial. But I was watching, I think it's Growerfully with Jenna, and she mentioned this Buffalo Sun tomato. So I definitely had to try that. And then she also mentioned this Quick Snack, which she grew as an indoor cucumber. And as far as I know, they only get so big and grows really well indoors. And since I already had tomatoes indoors, I've grown peas indoors, radishes, and I've got salad growing indoors, I figured I might as well give this a try. And then just on my own, I have been wanting to try out some rutabagas. So I got this Marion variety since I was already on the site. So we're going to go ahead and give this a try. I've never grown rutabagas, either transplants or from seeds. So we'll see how this one goes. Let me know if you have any experience with the rutabagas and if you have any tips. So there are 3 tomato seeds that I purchased from, is it AP Haley? That were mentioned on Jenna's channel as well. And I don't have those yet. They haven't even shipped. So I'm going to put some pictures up and just tell you about them real quick. So the first one is Tropical Sunset. It is a cherry tomato that is supposed to be nice and sweet. So I'm looking forward to that. Also, there is a Speckled Roman, which, let's see, I really honestly just purchased because it's beautiful. So we'll see how that goes. And last of all is the Sky Reacher. So Sky Reacher, again, is a very pretty tomato. I don't have a lot of tomatoes that are just strictly red. Usually I grow lots of other colors. So this is one that I'm looking forward to. I will be doing quite a bit of canning this year, so we'll see how that goes. So that is it for the seed haul. Let me know what some of your favorite companies to buy seeds are in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. There will be the seeds that I will be starting in February video coming out this coming Saturday. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching and be blessed.